Hello students, welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter first, the rise of nationalism in Europe. This is history part, this is module 12th. In 11th we discuss about the strange case of Britain where Ireland and Scotland were annexed into the England part. Yeah, they were suppressed by England to be the part of England. Okay. Now we will discuss visualizing the nation. It means how the nation was shown, what were the characteristics that were related. Okay. Now, it is very easy to make a portrait of a king or a queen or to personify it, to show it, but in the 18th and 19th century, the artist started to show nation in a form of female figure. Figure that were shown like a person, that an imaginary person that is related to a nation. So that shows the devotion, the affection towards the country by the commoners or the other people. Okay. Now these women, these figures were allegory to the nation. It means they were the representative of the nation. Allegory means when an abstract idea is shown through a person or thing. It means that a person that is shown as a symbol, that may be in the form of liberty, that may be in the form of justice, or that may be in the form of republic. You can see that when we see about the justice, a woman is there whose eyes are closed, they are covered with the cloth, and she is having a weighing machine. It means this is about a allegory that is shown here. And now here during the French Revolution, what was during the French Revolution? Liberty, republic, and justice were shown as important part related to freedom. Important part. Okay. Now you can see, you have read in 9th class that liberty was shown with a red cap and a broken chains. So this is like the allegory, and these were the characteristics that were related to a female figure. Now you can take example of India, Bharat Mata. When we were struggling for our freedom, we show India as a mother goddess that was known as the Bharat Mata. This type of the, you may say, views that come throughout. Okay. Now what happened? Marini was shown as female figure, and statues were made on the public places to motivate. So these types of the thing that were, what was that? This is the Marini, that is related to a Christian world, that is related to Christian religion, most important. So that name was given so that people have faith, they should have devotion, and they should understand this impact, his power or her power, so they can take part into the revolutionary activities. So such type of the thing that were related. It was shown like a goddess, like a mother, so that the commoners that can be attracted, that can be motivated. Next, that was in the Germany also. In Germany also same situation. Same situation was, what was that? Germania was shown with a crown of oak leaves. With a crown of oak leaves, that were, she was wearing a crown that was covered with oak leaves, and in Germany oak related to heroism, or you may say bravery. That type of the thing that were an allegory for the nation, that may be any. So they were shown as a portrait that will motivate the people to have freedom or to get freedom for struggle, so that the nation can survive.